Alright, welcome back to my channel everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a strategy which is so good. It's a very new type of strategy, but it's very good. You guys are going to love this one. And it's very simple also. It's beginner friendly, right? So this strategy is based on, it's a forex type strategy basically, right? I used to trade this strategy when I just started trading. This is called the chair pattern, right? So basically we are looking for a drop, base, drop. Now when this base is being broken, then we can look for a trading opportunity to go with the same direction, because what I'm doing right here in this strategy is that I'm trying to identify the trend as it begins. See what I'm saying? So that we can catch the trend and go with the trend from very early. Now, as you see right here, I am with the direction of the trend because this is a drop base drop. This is an engulfing candle, and then the price closed in my direction. See that? Okay, so this is the new trend forming right here. As you guys see, the market, hold on. Let me zoom out real quick. Okay. No, you see that the market was coming down like this, right? You see that? The price was coming down for a very long time. Now there is a shift. There is a shift, and I entered when the shift just made. See what I'm saying? So this makes me early whenever I entered right here. And this is why I'm saying, guys, this strategy is very beginner friendly. I am really showing this strategy, to be honest, because I want my viewers, my loyal subscribers, even the other subscribers also, to be able to have something very effective when they are trading. And this is the reason why I show these strategies, guys. Okay, and this strategy right here, this strategy is what helped me when I was a beginner. This strategy right here, okay, it's very amazing. This is one of the best strategy, guys. Very amazing. Okay, so I took 2 more trades here. Let me show you guys again right here. Drop, base, drop. You guys notice that whenever we break this drop base drop here, if I was here, I could take this for 1-2 candles and I would win the trade. You see that? Now after that was broken, we have another one form right here. Then it was broken again right here. You see how amazing this is, guys? If you were on this chart right here, guys, you will get a back-to-back winning trade. You see what I'm saying? Because this one right here, let me mark it over again for you guys. Let me zoom in a little closer. Okay, so we have one right here. It broken and it worked. Then another one formed. It broken. I'm expecting it to work also, because I'm in the direction of the trend. See what I'm saying? Whoa, guys, you see that? Damn. Okay, no problem. Let's find another opportunity. One more. Okay, so I'm on the same pair, guys. I understand what happened right here. I was reviewing the trade the moment it lost. I see what happened. Okay, right here there was a weak engulfing candle, and that's the reason why this price didn't came down further. But you guys see that though? That was like a close loss. That was crazy. That loss was crazy. But anyway, I'm in the direction of the trend. Cool. So this simply means that I'm still in the right direction, which I'm expecting now to recover my loss and make some profit. And this is how you have to trade, guys. Nothing is perfect. Trading is the game of probabilities. Sooner you understand that, the sooner you become profitable. Mark my words. So I'm gonna raise my amount because I'm in profit right now. Let me take one trade. Let me take one more. What's that? Alright guys, you notice right here again. Oh damn, what's that? My bad, guys. Yeah. So right here we have a rally base rally going higher, and there was a two bar going up. Guys, I want to speak about something real quick. Someone asked me in the comments, why do I call this a three bar up? Now, you guys know that every pattern that was created by some algorithm geniuses, right? And they named it three bar up. But you can call it two bar up if you want. It doesn't have to be the same as what I said. You just need to be able to can identify it. Right? This is a two bar up, to be honest, logically, but the name is three bar up. Just whatever you want to call it, bro. It's all about trying to identify the pattern. It doesn't matter about names only. You need to be able to identify them. That's the main thing. Let's find another opportunity. Even this strategy right here, it's a very simple strategy, but look at this right here. Rally, base, rally. Very simple. Now guys, let me know if you like when I'm using the marker to explain stuff, because some people might have it difficult to understand just words only because they probably speak a different language or something, but you get the understanding, right? This is all we are looking for our opportunity. After we see this formed, we could take our trade right after this candle right here. Take our trade right here, 1 2, that would be a winning trade. So what I'm saying, now I entered by at the momentum. There's something you guys need to understand. You need to learn candlestick psychology in order to take any form of trades. Believe me, because only with candlestick psychology you will understand the strength of the candles. I hope I'm making sense right there. Okay, so I'm taking this one for 3 right here, even though I'm pretty late for this trade. Okay, I'm pretty late for this one, but I saw the pattern. I saw the momentum coming down. So now this right here, I'm hoping for the price to come and close below there. If it does, I will take another trade again. Okay, and this is the benefit of this strategy, guys. You can find a lot of opportunity on the same pair multiple times. See what I'm saying? So if the price breaks this level right here, if it breaks this level, I'm gonna take a next trade. See what I'm saying? But for the next trade, I might not take it for too much. Based on candlestick psychology, I can see that there is some weakness right here, so I wouldn't take it for a full amount. Honestly, I want to take this trade badly, guys. Okay, I'm gonna take this. For one, it didn't break my level, but you see that breakaway gap though, that's super strong. You guys seen this live, right? This is so crazy. This breakaway gap is something different. Alright guys, I didn't want to enter anymore, but I feel like I need to put one more trade on this one. I don't know why I feel this way, but the level didn't break properly. As you're seeing right here, it didn't break properly. And guys, see that though, this is what impatience and greediness cause, because I knew that this didn't break correctly, you see, and now this trade might be a losing trade, all because I broke the rules, you see. And this is what a lot of persons does, and then they say, oh, the strategy is not working. No, if the rule is broken and you lose the trade, you cannot blame no one but yourself. No, this losing trade, it's my fault because I broke the rule right here. So I didn't follow. Alright, beautiful. This trade right here is nice, guys. Alright, let me explain something real quick. You see right here, this was a what? Rally, base, rally. It broken right here. If I was there, I could take this trade for 1 candle, 2 candle, even 3 candles, and I would want the trade. Even 4, 5, I would be all the way here. The trade will be all the way here. This is a winning trade. And now, as you guys see, there's another rally base, rally. It broke in. I took my trade right here, and I'm expecting the price to go higher because we are in the direction of the trend. The trend is your friend until it ends. Always remember that. It's a very true fact, guys, because the trend is the momentum. And the momentum, you need the momentum when you're trading. You need it to be on your side. Okay? You need the momentum on your side. You don't need the momentum to be going against you. Always go with the direct. Beautiful. I'm going to take one more right there, guys. This trade is super good. I was trying to like stick to my money management, but I'm being a little bit flexible today because this trade right here is super good. I'm not gonna lie. And this is another thing you learn whenever you're trading. You need to understand your strategy and the strength and the weakness. I know that this is a very good trend. See that? See how many, guys, count how many opportunities are here. Okay, so this is what, one, boom, you will enter right here. That's one opportunity. Boom, 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 you enter right here. That's two win. Again, boom, 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 you enter right here. That's three win. Boom, 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 and I'm entering right here. So let's see if this is going to be a winning trade also. Beautiful. Oh, that's a draw. Damn, I lose one and win one. But you guys see that though? That was 4 trades, 3 win, and 1 loss. You see that? And this is how trading is. I never really teach this way, guys, because honestly, this type of teaching is in the mentorship. You guys are understanding what's going on here. And this is what you need to understand. Every time you take trades, there will be losing trades included, and there will be winning trades. So never ever think there's 100%. Okay, I hope that's very clear. Okay, so I'm going 2 trades here because I lost one and I win one. So whenever I win this trade, I will make back my loss. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you guys like when I explained with the pen and you know, go more deeper in the analysis, everything, drop it in the comment. And if someone is new to the channel and they can't find a video or they want to find something, you guys can always direct them to the right video on the channel to let them know that, hey, you can watch this video to learn more about supply and demand, support and resistance, whatever video they are looking for. Anyway, and I have a next question too. If you guys like when I'm talking fast or slow, let me know, because sometimes I feel like I'm talking too fast because I'm just so excited when I'm trading. I don't know why. I love trading. That's it. I just love trading, honestly. But I talk. Right, so I'm taking this one right here, guys, for 1. You see this inside gap here? Let me show you. This is an inside gap, guys. Whenever the price opens inside of the previous candle. That's what I'm saying. Now, this is an engulfing candle. This is what? A shear pattern. Now, you guys see that when I'm trading, I use a lot of confluences. I'm looking at a lot of other stuff also. But the key thing I want to share right here is that the moment you understand candlestick psychology, all this becomes very easy. I need you to understand, because candlestick psychology, you know what's going on in these candles. That's what basically going on. You know what's going on. Without going to the lower time frame, you can see what is going on in the candles, basically. You see what I'm saying? So your accuracy increases because you understand everything. Alright, I'm taking this. My entry is not good. Entry is not good, but I'm doing 2 candles, so it will be okay. And the next level is all the way here. So therefore, this trade is pretty safe because this is gonna try and come all the way here before it bounce back, or it might break and then come down like that. Okay, I know you guys don't understand that. That's very advanced. This is very advanced. I'm trying to be very somewhat basic so you guys can really understand everything. I'm trying my best to make you guys understand completely what I'm doing. As someone asked, why did I create the mentorship? That's the reason. So that you guys could learn my strategies, and I can guide you and give you support while you're in your trading journey. That's the main reason of the mentorship, to teach you all of these strategy on a deeper level. Okay, it's not going to, so I'm going to take this trade for 1 right here. The reason why I'm not going to take it for anymore, even though I'm profiting, it's because, check this out, this is a very complicated drop base drop. It is a drop base drop, but it's very complicated because you know it's not very clear, right? Pay attention here. Look at this. Let me zoom in real quick. Let me show you something. You realize this one here is very clear, right? This one here, drop base drop, it broke right here. If I took this trade, I would have won it, because you see, if I entered right here, my trade will close below here. And this is something why entry is so important, especially in binary option, because we set our own expiry. All of these stuff, guys, you have to take them in consideration. This is not gambling, this is serious thing. Okay, alright, so this will be the end of my video, guys. If you're interested and you're ready to invest in yourself, you can apply for a mentorship right now. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.